In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change transparency in Canva. Transparency is a really simple but powerful feature that lets you control how see-through an element is. This can help you create softer backgrounds, subtle overlays, or make text and images blend together more smoothly in your designs. First, open your design in Canva, or create a new one with any template or custom size you like. Once your design is open, click on the element whose transparency you want to adjust. This could be anything: a photo, a shape, a piece of text, an icon, or even a group of elements. With the element selected, look towards the top right area of the Canva editor. You'll see a row of icons above the design canvas. Among these icons is the transparency icon. It usually looks like a small square with a checkered pattern or a faded effect. Go ahead and click on that transparency icon. When you click it, a slider will appear. This slider lets you control how opaque or transparent your selected element is. If you drag the slider to the left, the element becomes more transparent, meaning it will start to blend into whatever is behind it. Dragging the slider to the right makes the element more solid and fully visible. Take a moment to slowly move the slider back and forth so you can see the effect in real time. For example, if you're working with a background image and you want your text to stand out more, you can slightly lower the transparency of the image. This softens the background and makes the text easier to read without completely hiding the image. You can also use transparency creatively with shapes or colored boxes. Try placing a colored rectangle behind some text, then lower its transparency so the background image still shows through a little. This creates a nice overlay effect and can give your design a more professional look. If you change your mind at any point, just reopen the transparency slider by clicking the same icon again and adjust it until you're happy. Canva updates the design instantly, so you can keep tweaking until it feels right. And that's all there is to it. By simply clicking the transparency icon above your canvas and using the slider, you can fine-tune how your elements appear and create more polished, visually appealing designs in Canva.